Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm very grateful to have you guys here today. I just wanted to really express my gratitude for the growth of my channel so far. Like, I've only been doing this for like a couple weeks and you guys have been very supportive, so thank you for that. So yeah, let's get into it. Today I'm showing you guys how I did this little makeup look right here. It's super simple. I like to call it, something like Tootsie Roll or something, Again, I tried the cut crease and it failed miserably, but it still came out cute, so I still had to rock it, but yes, please let me know what you guys think about this look today, and let's get started. To start off, we are priming our eyes with the setting powder. This is the banana setting powder. I still don't know what the name is, but we're just gonna cover our eyes. That way we have a nice base for our colors to pop. The first palette that we're going to be using in our eyeshadow build today is the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. We're going to start off with the yellow. We're adding the yellow to the translucent base to try to get that brightness first, because we want to start brighter before we get darker. You can always go darker, but you cannot get lighter. Okay, so I was not getting that rich yellow that I wanted from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, so I went ahead and switched to the Juvia's palette because they have a more saturated yellow. So after we put our yellow down, we're switching to the orange. Gonna start doing like a sunset. I want you guys to pay attention to the strokes in which I'm laying the pigment down. I'm using, again, a windshield wiping motion. That way it's easier for me to blend everything. This look is actually a cut crease look, so now we're going to go ahead and take our concealer. We're going to start the base for the cut crease. Now, this cut crease did come out a lot better than my very first try, so I am learning as I go, but now I'm learning to draw that crisp line instead of, I guess, basically patting everything on and having it look blended as opposed to looking sharp. So you see how sharp that line is right there? That's how we want to start our cut crease. Now that we have the base down for our cut crease, we're going to go in with our setting powder again, and this is basically to dry up that concealer. That way it doesn't look wet. So now we're going to switch to our purple, and we're going to lay our purple base down for the cut crease color. While I'm laying down the cut crease color, I'm making sure not to go all the way down to the bottom of my lid, like where my lashes are, because I'm going to add another color, and it's easier to add that pink or that bright color onto something that has no color at all versus trying to put pink on top of purple. Like my pink is a lot stronger if I go on top of the concealer by itself as opposed to trying to, go on top of the purple. Now that I have all of my pigment laid down, I'm going in with the blending brush and I'm just basically going in circle motions just to make sure I can smooth out some of those harsh lines. Like, I still want everything to look nice and not, you know, botched. Since we finished our eyeshadow build, we're going to go in with our eyeliner now. This is the Liquid Black Eyeliner by Beauty Treats. And this is one of the basic eyeliners that I use to start my wings. And then I go in with a thinner brush, the e.l.f. Liquid Black Eyeliner, to finish my wing extensions. Prepping for my lashes today, I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Wear Mascara, and the lashes I'll be using are the Creme or Cream lashes, and these are the number 217s. I forgot to show it in the video, but I actually went in with my liquid foundation. It's the LA Girl Warm Caramel color, and I'm just going ahead and, you know, as you can see, I'm just covering my full face to get an even skin tone. After we've got our base foundation in, I'm going in with the Jordana liquid foundation. This one is used specifically for my highlights. It is quite a bit brighter than my normal foundation, and again, that's because this is where I want my highlights to be. Now I'm trying a different technique, and I'm going in with concealer underneath my eyes instead of a setting powder, just to see like if I can do a better job at a contour. So we'll see how this works. After I got everything blended out, I went in with the setting powder just so I can get that bright and that matte look on my face. Now that I've done a beginner attempt at a contour, which you can't really see in the video, I'm going in with my regular powder foundation. This is the LA Girl Warm Caramel, and I'm just covering my face. This is the highlighter palette by Revolution, and I'm just going in with like a gold color so I could try to top off that highlight before I'll go in with my Fit Me blush by Maybelline number 55. So here I'm going in with some of that pink color so I can add it to my under lash line just to make the eyeshadow build a little bit more full. I go in with the pink for the corners, the inner corners, and then the purple for the outer corners. So for my waterline, I'm going in with a basic black eyeliner pencil that you can get literally at like any beauty supply, Sally's, drugstore, anything like that. Just going ahead to add a more dramatic feel before I go in with my deck of Scarlet number 4 edition, and I'm just adding highlight to my tear duct so I can make, you know, my eyes pop. Unfortunately, my highlight for my tear duct did not come out as strong as I wanted it to, but I was running late for work, so I had to, you know, keep going. This is a nude pink. Don't really know who it's by. I got it as a sample. But after I put that on, I go in with my clear gloss, and this completes the look. Let me go ahead and give you guys a closer look and take my head rag off real quick. But yes, this is the look. Please let me know how you feel about it. Would you wear this look? Do you like this look? Go ahead, drop a like, share, subscribe. Make sure you guys hit that little bell so you can get all my notifications, and I will see you guys in the next one.